Premier Electrosystems, precision in testing, excellence in automation.
Hello, welcome to Premier's YouTube channel. This is Premier's insulation tester PE1000. This model has an output voltage of 500 volt DC and it has a range of 0 to 200 mega ohms. When you switch it on, the one indicates that the resistance is greater than 200 mega ohm, which is over range. So to test it on a sample, we have an iron over here. The unit is supplied with these patch cords. The connection is done this way. The black wire is connected to the earthing pin. The red wire is connected to the line or neutral, or you can just short line and neutral and connect it to both of them. Ensure the connections are tight. To switch it on, the insulation resistance of this unit under test is greater than 200 mega ohm, which is indicated by a 1. Any other values, whenever the product is fail or it's a short, you will see that the line and you'll see that the reading is 0, or whatever the resistance is of the unit under test from 0, 1, 2 mega ohms. And as per the standard, anything less than 5 mega ohms is considered as fail. So this is the use of insulation tester. Thank you.